Sought was annexed to the application.
You could have sought for. They are here for so many years. You could have sought for that these are the shortcomings. Please provide all these things.
But the application itself was incomplete, my lord.
Well, why did you not intimate them?
But these shortcomings were there, my lord.
You should have intimated them. You could have intimated them, or you deliberately don't do it.
But it was rejected at the very threshold, my lord, because it did not meet the essential criteria.
The rejection was made in October. When was it made?
After 30th October.
After 30th of October. 30th October was the last date.
Yes, madam.
Right. And even in January, they go on pressing you for consideration of their application. You do not find.
10th January, my lord, that they had written.
All right.
Only
So from October till November, December, you didn't find time to intimate them.
Us, my lord. In the interregnum period, they never contacted us. It is only for the first time that on 10th January, my lord, that they, after the order was made in the
Earlier petition.
Yes, my lord, that they had given this application to us on 10th January itself. My lord, for the interregnum period from 30th October until 9th January, my lord, they were in their slumbers, my lord. My lord, and the guild has rejected their application at the very threshold because, my lord, it did not meet two essential criteria. Number one, my lord, the application was made not by the public.
Are you aware that they have their publication house? Vishwa Hindu Parishad, relying upon page 24 as their publication house, and they have books or the catalog. It has been submitted. That catalog was submitted.
That's not catalog, my lord. Latest magazines have been submitted. Page 50. Only one magazine has been submitted. Kindly have a look at page 55.
Is there any specification as to how many magazines or how many publications?
Catalogs, man.
Catalog means
all the books, which they want to exhibit in the book fair, that has to be there. We have to also scrutinize, as to whether about the catalog is asked for, so that we can conduct the scrutiny as to what should be there and what should not be there,
She could have informed me.
What do you mean by what should be there? It is their book and they will publish it according to their wish. They write something and they publish it. Whoever.
Sensitive books relating to certain sensitive issues may be there, we do not want to go into all those.
Did you intimate that these are the sensitive books and these are the insensitive books?
They should give us the catalog, unless they give us
Call
the catalog.
for that. I have given all. These are my published books.
Do you have?
Yeah, these are the public books. I have the catalogs also.
Where is the catalog?
I've given you, Lordship.
No, don't give it to me. It is for them to see.
We have given the catalog also.
Where? Show me that you have given the catalog.
I tell you, Lordship, kindly see the advertisement. Xerox copy of necessary license or registration certificate and catalog, and then latest magazine and newspaper. Your Lordships will find over here your Lordship Xerox copy of registration certificate and latest magazine. My learned friend is saying that this is not publishers. Your Lordships kindly have a look at this book.
No, show it to the authority.
This is the book.
The book they have published.
Kindly have a look at the pleadings at para 5, They say that they have 800 books.
They have?
800 books. Kindly have a look at the pleading at
Is it impossible? They cannot have.
No, not on that, unless they say as to what they are going to display in the book fair, we cannot act upon.
You have an advertisement in place?
Yes,
They say they have acted in accordance with the advertisement.
Catalog was not furnished,
So you call for that. You rejected that.
Kindly have a look at page 10. Rejected at the very threshold.
This is more so the reason you should have intimated them, because they were participants for the last several years.
Yeah, 2011.
They made the criteria. That is the reason why they were permitted.
Then you have the catalog of mine.
Till last year, you permitted them to they were there. You must be having all documents of these authorities.
Rules have changed, Kindly have a look at rule number 20.
These rules are not statutory rules. Don't show statute. Right. These are your own rules.
These are part of the form itself.
These are all made on your own.
Yes,
no statutory effect at all.
No.
Right. You have permitted these people to be there for last so many years. All on a sudden, you just wake up and say that no, you don't have a catalog. What were they doing for the last so many years in the book fair? Why did you permit them?
This year,
why did you permit them for the last year? They were sensitive.
No,
insensitive. And suddenly the sensitivity arose, increased.
This time there has been change of the policy,
Policy is not published.
They were aware, my lord. These
Published
rules
no-
were part of the form.
Which form?
itself.
Which
It
form?
is-
Kindly don't
Listen.
say that.
You are not a statutory authority.
No, ma'am.
There must be a limit, and there must be at least some manner of decency in which you will function. If you function in such a manner that everything becomes so very naked, then it becomes difficult to accept it.
My lord,
Right.
this year, my lord,
You permitted these people to stay over there for last so many years. All on a sudden, there is a change of policy, there is change of this new forum. What
they
is
were
this?
aware of the rules of the
Why did you not intimate them?
How do you make us however?
This was their part of the application form. my lord.
Application
This-
form is given after the money is deposited. Sorry.
This is part of the rules, my lord.
Rules.
Which rules?
Which rule?
My lord, they had the application form, my lord. In the application form, this
Where is
was
the application
specified.
form?
টাকা জমা দেওয়ার পর দেন।
Where is the application form? Is this form available to everybody?
My lord, kind grants me awareness.
Well, I have given previous year documents also, one after another. Well, kindly have a look at page 50 and 51 previous year. First I deposited the sum, then they give me the document. Then they give me the document. First deposited the sum,
My lord, this is
21,000.
a part of page 44, my lord. Kindly have a look at page 44. My lord, only the front portion of the form has been annexed. My lord, at the back side of the form, my lord, rules are specified.
This is previous year.
44.
This is given your lordship after the money is
Page
deposited.
44, my lord.
Which year?
Ma-
Which
my lord,
year?
This is the form, my lord.
This is not
year.
given to us.
1 minute.
This year.
Where is the? You have a form on your own.
Ma'am,
You
they-
keep it inside your pocket. Did you give this to the petitioner or anybody who applies? You do not. When is this form handed over?
Very incomplete application. কিচ্ছু বলতে করে না my lord. Advertisement only apply with these documents. Without any format, without any prescribed form.
See page 52, the advertisement which is shown, it mentions interested participants may apply in their letterhead. You don't say that there is an application form. It's only in the letterhead that one has to apply and which the application was made.
I do it like previous years.
My lord, kindly have a look, my lord. They have to obey all the rules and
That I have given undertaking.
fair, my lord.
That I have given undertaking.
On record has gone, my lord, is seeking the instructions, my lord, as to whether this was handed over to
Have you finalized the stalls?
Yes, my lord, it has been filed.
So make place for them also because they are there for so many
Matter for
years.
Tomorrow, my lord, we shall come, Monday, my lord, we shall come back with all the instructions.
Come back with the place where they will be allotted. Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record.
My lord, the
Pursuant
point
to
of
the
entry
publication,
we kept open, my lord.
the point of I have accepted that in the last occasion because the petitioner on the last occasion did not fall within this publisher and
But here
something.
also the same.
But here he has got something to show that there are books, there are publications and everything.
My lord, that is of
And
Vishwa Hindu Varta, not of
it
the
is the
petition.
same house. It is from the same house
They
by
have-
a
They are
different
probably
name.
your losses confusing. Well, kindly your losses
Same
Anandabajar Potrika. This is Anandabajar group
My
not.
lord, kindly keeps it for Monday, passes order on
Don't
Monday.
say like this.
We shall come back with all instructions.
No instruction. You are going to start it, give a place for them. কি বললাম?
Start on
Pursuant to the
28th, my lord. Lordship
uh,
can dispose it off on Monday itself.
yes, I'll dispose it off. Make a place for them. Pursuant to the publication made by the Publishers and Booksellers Guild, inviting applications for the participants to participate in the 48th International Kolkata Book Fair. The petitioner applied for a stall on 22nd of October 2024. Stop. In the application, it was specifically mentioned that the petitioners were participants in the same book fair for the last several years. And this year also, a place may be allotted to them. Stop. The application was kept pending. Stop. On 10th January 2025, a representation was made seeking information with regard to the application made by the petitioner. Stop. As no response was forthcoming and the book fair is due to start from 28th January 2025, the instant writ petition has been filed seeking relief. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the
Respondents 8 and 9.
respondents 8 and 9 submits that the application of the petitioner was not in form and the same stood rejected at the very threshold. Stop. The petitioner never approached this court on an earlier occasion and has only filed representation for the first time on 10th January 2025. Stop. It has been contended that the petitioner does not qualify the conditions required for participating in the book fair.